Imagine discovering the secret to youthful, age-spot-free skin right there in your kitchen. What if I told you that a simple ingredient, likely in your cupboard right now, could be the key to clearer, more radiant skin? Today, we're revealing how to turn this common kitchen staple into a powerful treatment for your skin. This method isn't just effective, it's incredibly affordable, too. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to enhance your beauty routine with something you already have at home. But before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about what really causes those pesky age spots. Understanding the root causes is crucial to effectively combating them and reclaiming your skin's natural radiance. First off, age spots are often a sign of a deficiency in vitamin C. This essential nutrient plays a pivotal role in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Without it, your skin can become dull, and dark spots can start to appear. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and smooth. A deficiency can lead to weakened skin, making it more susceptible to damage and discoloration. Next, we have zinc, a vital mineral for skin cell repair and growth. Zinc is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from environmental damage. It also plays a key role in reducing inflammation and supporting skin renewal. When your body is low on zinc, it struggles to repair damaged skin cells, leading to uneven skin tone and those dreaded age spots. You might not realize it, but zinc deficiency is more common than you think, especially if you don't consume enough zinc-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and lean meats. Finally, let's discuss insulin resistance, a condition that can subtly affect your skin. Insulin resistance doesn't just impact your blood sugar levels, it also plays a role in skin pigmentation. When your body doesn't respond well to insulin, it can cause an imbalance in your skin's melanin production. This imbalance can lead to dark patches, commonly known as age spots. As we get older, our risk of insulin resistance increases, making it all the more important to manage through diet and lifestyle changes. Now that we understand the causes, let's move on to the solutions. I'm going to share 3 simple recipes using baking soda that can help rejuvenate your skin and visibly reduce age spots. The best part? You probably already have all the ingredients you need at home. Before we get into the recipes, though, I have a quick request. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our new videos. Our first recipe is a face mask that not only lightens age spots but also revitalizes the skin. This mask combines the exfoliating power of baking soda, the brightening effect of lemon juice, and the deep hydration of olive oil. The combination of these ingredients works wonders on uneven skin tone and dark spots. To prepare this mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. In a small bowl, mix the baking soda, olive oil, and lemon juice until it forms a consistent paste. If the mixture is too thick, add a little more lemon juice until you reach the desired texture. Apply the mask evenly to clean, dry skin, focusing on areas with spots or uneven pigmentation. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic on your skin. Afterward, wash your face with lukewarm water, ensuring you remove the mask completely. It's important to note that because this mask contains lemon juice, you should avoid direct sun exposure after application. Citric acid can increase your skin's sensitivity to UV rays, so it's best to use this treatment in the evening or when you won't be heading outside. Moving on to our second recipe, we have a spot treatment combining baking soda and emu oil. Emu oil is known for its regenerative and healing properties, making it a perfect partner for baking soda in this powerful solution for lightening age spots. This treatment is particularly effective because it targets the spots directly, providing intensive care where you need it most. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of emu oil. In a small bowl, mix the baking soda with the emu oil until it forms a homogeneous paste. Apply the paste carefully to the age spots, avoiding contact with the delicate skin around your eyes. Leave the mixture on for about 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to penetrate deep into the skin. After the treatment time, remove the paste with a damp cloth and warm water. For best results, start by applying this treatment twice a week, gradually increasing the frequency as your skin becomes accustomed to it. Over time, this method will not only lighten age spots but also improve the overall texture of your skin, leaving it smoother and more rejuvenated. The third and final recipe is an exfoliating scrub that leaves your skin vibrant and renewed. This scrub uses baking soda to smooth skin texture, vitamin C-rich orange juice to brighten, and jojoba oil to moisturize. Exfoliation is key to maintaining a youthful glow, as it removes dead skin cells and encourages the growth of new, healthy cells. To prepare this scrub, you'll need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and 1 tablespoon of orange juice. In a small bowl, combine the baking soda, jojoba oil, and orange juice until you get a slightly grainy mixture, ideal for exfoliation. Apply this mixture to damp skin, especially in areas that need extra care, such as blemishes and rough spots. Gently exfoliate in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the baking soda granules to remove dead cells and impurities. Finish by rinsing with lukewarm water and gently patting your skin dry with a soft towel. This treatment is perfect to use in the morning, giving you smoother, more radiant skin throughout the day. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. If you want to see real results, you need to be diligent and patient. Incorporate these treatments into your regular routine and give your skin time to show improvement. Over time, with regular use, you'll start to notice a reduction in the appearance of age spots, and your skin will look and feel more youthful. The beauty of natural skincare lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. By using these recipes, you're not only saving money but also avoiding the harsh chemicals often found in commercial products. Natural ingredients like baking soda, lemon juice, and jojoba oil have been used for centuries to enhance beauty and skin health. They're safe, gentle, and, most importantly, they work. If you're skeptical, let me reassure you with some real-world results. Many people have already tried these recipes and have seen significant improvements in their skin. From reduced age spots to smoother texture, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. And the best part? These treatments are accessible to everyone. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive skincare products to achieve beautiful skin. However, as with any skincare routine, it's important to take safety precautions. Always test new treatments on a small area of your skin before applying them to your face. This will help you avoid any potential allergic reactions or sensitivities. Also, remember to protect your skin from the sun, especially after using treatments that contain lemon juice. Sun exposure can undo the benefits of these treatments and even worsen age spots if you're not careful. In addition to these recipes, there are plenty of other natural ingredients you can explore for skincare. From honey to aloe vera to green tea, your kitchen is a treasure trove of skincare solutions. Experiment with different combinations and find what works best for your skin type. The possibilities are endless, and the results can be truly transformative. One of the greatest advantages of DIY skincare is the ability to customize treatments to your specific needs. Unlike commercial products, which are often one-size-fits-all, DIY recipes allow you to adjust the ingredients and their quantities to suit your skin's unique requirements. This means you can create a skincare routine that is perfectly tailored to you. As you embark on your journey to better skin, consider the broader benefits of natural skincare. Not only are you taking care of your skin, but you're also making a choice that's better for the environment. Natural ingredients are biodegradable, and by using them, you're reducing your reliance on synthetic chemicals that can be harmful to both your skin and the planet. I encourage you to try these recipes and see the difference for yourself. Consistency and patience are key, so stick with it and give your skin the time it needs to heal and rejuvenate. When you start to see results, I'd love to hear about your experience. Share your journey in the comments, and let's build a community of natural beauty enthusiasts who support and inspire each other. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you never miss any of our new videos. We're constantly exploring new ways to help you achieve health and beauty through accessible, effective methods. Whether you're looking for skincare tips, wellness advice, or natural beauty hacks, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, the key to beautiful skin is already in your hands.